you can enter towards your living and the dining space. Here you can even add up your serving platform. The huge bed space in the center of the room over here, the king size. What if your next investment feels less like a city project and more like forest retreat in Bangalore? This is all about Godrej Vanantara. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Godrej Vanantara developed by Godrej Properties located right here in Bannerghatta, South Bangalore. So right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project and let me show you the surrounding. So I'm standing on the main entrance. This is the main entrance of our Godrej Vanantara. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from yours and goes up to 36 massive acre. The marketing office of our project is inside our land parcel itself. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and our project is spread across 36 acres of massive land consisting of 14 high-rise towers with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 30 floors, offering you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium homes. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you 100 plus curated amenities like you get a grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities, cricket ground, swimming pool with deck, sports arena, open garden space, pond that relaxes your mind and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located off Bannerghatta Road in Bannerghatta, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So the main entrance will be coming up over here, and exactly in front of it is the Dinepalya main road. So this Dinepalya road will connect you towards Bannerghatta Road, and the opposite side road will take you towards CK Palya. Now about the further connectivity part, so you can connect to Greenwood High School is just 100 meters away from our project, DMart Bannerghatta is 2.8 kilometers away, and Jivalia Institute of Philosophy, that is 4.2 kilometers from our project. So now this is your 4.5 BHK model flat of 2,900 square feet super built up area. The main entrance of our house is just behind me over here, but they have even offered you a separate access for your 0.5 room which is over this side. Now before entering, let's focus upon the video door phone which comes up for your security purpose. And this is the main entrance which will lead you towards your foyer area that maintains your privacy. So this comes up with vitrified flooring. And now you can enter towards your living and the dining space. So this is your massive living and dining area. You can have a look where the beautiful interior work is done. For your reference, you can add up a sofa set, your couch, your teapot, and even a TV unit space right over here. Now with your living area, they have offered you a perfect connecting balcony. So once you step inside, you can not just call it as a balcony but a perfect running deck. Because you can have a look, this is a running balcony which comes up with anti-skid flooring, iron railing as well, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. You can add up your own table, own chair, your swing and whatever you like and enjoy your time. Now once you step inside over here comes your spacious dining area where you can fit in your 6 to 8 seater of dining table, and this dining area is just opposite to your kitchen space. So with the easy access, this is your kitchen area. Once you enter inside, let's focus upon the layout. So the layout says that you can add up a U-shaped platform over here with a sink area. Here's a window that opens towards your utility space. Here you can even add up your serving platform, and all the white goods, your cabinets, all is taken care of. Now once you step inside, this is your utility space which comes up with anti-skid flooring, half wall structure and even a sink area right over here. Over this side, they have offered you the provision for the machine. And now this is the second access for your 0.5 room. So this room you can use it in a multi-purpose way. You can add up your bed for your maid's room. You can make this room as a work table, that is a work area for yourself. Your study table can be added as a study room or is much more. So basically here's the main access that will connect you to the main lobby space, and it comes up with the attached washroom as well. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, and even the sink area is offered here. Now let's explore the rest of the house. So again, walking through your kitchen space and coming back towards your living and dining area, your one bedroom is on the one side of the house and rest on the other side. So crossing your living area and your bedroom number 1 is right over here. So once you step inside this bedroom, you can have a look at the spacious, beautiful bedroom with perfect interior work, with a bed space in the center of the room. Just behind me is a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. So you can enjoy perfect nature from here. Focusing upon the wardrobe space, you can add up your wardrobe, your bookshelf, whatever you like. Even you can add up your work table and a TV unit space right in front. This bedroom also comes up with attached washroom, just placed this side. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. Now about your bedroom number 2. So as mentioned, your other bedrooms are on the other side of the house. So you have to walk through your living and dining space, and over here is your bedroom number 2. So once you enter this bedroom, again you can have a look at the perfect layout over here. This is a spacious room of the house. You can add up a bed space in the center of the room. Here again a window which is perfect for your ventilation and lighting purpose. About your wardrobe, you can fit in your huge wardrobe right this side. Even you can add up your work table, your dressing area this side over here. Your TV unit can be fit exactly over this side. Now about your common washroom. So once you step outside from this bedroom, your common washroom is exactly opposite. So let's have a look at your common washroom. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. About your bedroom number 3 is exactly beside. So it comes up with a foyer area that maintains your privacy, and your bed space is not visible over here. So once you step inside, you can have a look at the spacious bedroom in this house, which comes up with a huge bed space. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. You can have a look over here. This is your wardrobe space. You can even add up a TV unit space, your work table, whatever you like over here. Now about your private washroom. So yes, this bedroom comes up with a private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings, and the shower area that is divided by a tile drop to avoid the water spillage. Now, before moving towards the master bedroom, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with actual location tour, with sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are only under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now your master bedroom is exactly beside of your bedroom number 3. And once you enter, you can have a look at the cozy bedroom over here. The huge bed space in the center of the room over here, the king size bed specifically. And it comes up with a perfect balcony where you can spend your quality time. Comes up with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and you can even fit in your chair and a table. So just over here you can add up your TV unit space, your work table, whatever you want, and a huge wardrobe space is over here. And the wardrobe space doesn't end here. It takes you towards this beautiful and spacious. This is your dressing area with walk-in wardrobe, which has a connecting washroom as well. So here's the connecting washroom, that is the attached washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. The washroom is much more spacious as compared to other washrooms. So now, as you all know, we are here at Godrej Properties project. Have you checked another project with Godrej Properties? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. If you're looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.